And today we're going to see how to deploy your React app with AWS. So now we have Amazon service called Amazon Amplify, and we're going to see how to deploy your application in that. So AWS Amplify gives you an option to develop your apps, or you can deploy your existing apps. So for that, we need to have a GitHub account, and then we have to uh, push your codes to GitHub, and from there, you can connect your Amazon Amplify to your GitHub account. So let me show you the steps. All right. So first, you need to have a React app, and then you need to push your app to GitHub, log in to AWS console, and choose AWS Amplify service, and then connect your GitHub to Amplify. Deploy your app to Amplify. So these are the steps to be followed, right? So let's see how do we do that. I have my GitHub account over here. All right. So this is where I have my React application. Let me show you this. So this is where I have my React application. Now how do we connect this to AWS Amplify? Let me show you this. All right, so now I'm gonna say Amplify. Look at this. So it says it's a complete platform, framework, and tools and app services for developing, building, testing, and running mobile and web apps. All right. So inside this, if I go, you will have an option to either deploy or develop. Look at this. Either you can develop or deploy. So I already have my application, so I'm going to say deploy. So I'm going to say get started. So you have various applications over here to integrate with. I'm going to say GitHub. I'm going to say continue. All right. So it says, AWS Amplify wants to access your GitHub account. So I'm gonna say authorize. I'm gonna give the password. So this is my GitHub password. All right, so GitHub authorization was successful. I'm gonna choose my repository. This is my repository. All right. Let me update the latest records, the latest information to GitHub first. I'm gonna say changes. I'm gonna commit all my changes. So changes have been pushed. Now I'm gonna continue with my work over here. I'm gonna select the branch. I'm gonna say master, and I'm gonna say next. All right, there are some basic build and test settings over here. I can download this. I have this YAML file over here, and I'm gonna save next. I'm gonna say save and deploy. So this is gonna take a while, few seconds. Now meanwhile you can see the meta information over here. Look at this, you have steps to be followed over here. This provision step, build step, deploy step, and verify step. So I'm gonna say provision is over. Then again I'm gonna say build. So this means stepwise the actions has been performed. Now we are in the build stage, so let it build. And once this gets deployed, you will get to see all the details over here, and you can take actions based on that. Now you can see it is in the deployment stage. Now once this is over, you will have a verify page where you can verify the details. Right, let's wait for that, and then we're gonna see what can be seen, what actions can be taken based on that. All right, so everything is completed, and now you can see the verify page. So the build duration was 2 minutes 22 seconds. It started at this particular time. The last commit message, you can see, probably we can check what's being. Okay, so this is the last committed message. I committed 5 minutes ago. And what else we have? We have source repository. This is the domain. You can go to this link and see your application. So this is your application, right? So this is running in the Amazon Amplify. So all right, you're gonna see how your application looks on the various screens. It looks this way in the Google Pixel. If you choose iPad, it looks this way. And you have various devices, and the presentation of your data on the various devices is being shown over here. All right. So this is it, guys. I mean, you can also see view build history over here. You can also redeploy this version if you want to make changes and then redeploy. You can do that. So this is how easy it is to deploy your application on AWS. If you want to create and develop your own application via Amplify, you can do that as well. Thank you, guys.